by national leaders and citizens alike showcase India cultural heritage and military strength, respecting our pride and unity. We are the nation that launched the Chandrayaan-3 mission to the moon and home to diverse cultural and language. Since 1950, India has achieved remarkable milestone in science, sports, space technology, and global politics. However, Republic Day is a reminder that our true progress is measured not just by these achievements, but how faithfully we uphold the right and duties of every citizen. The preamble of our Constitution begins with we, the people of India. The integrating the collective power and remarkable we hold. We must, as students, we have a critical building the future of our country. Let we honor the sacrifice of our freedom fighter begins by disciplined, compassionate and diligent. We must respect the laws and celebrate our diversity and work together to eradicate the social evil. We must draw the further inspiration from related events. Check out the best coaching center in Chennai and importance of sleep for students to empower our academic journey. To conclude, let us all pledge to serve our country with honesty, courage and unity. Wishing everyone a very happy Republic Day 2026. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you. Very good speech in English. Next speech, Y. Ilangovan, 6th standard.